Alright, so we're going to do the area of a triangle problem. And I'm just going to get that ready. Alright, so I can tell that this is going to be an optimization problem because it says largest. And we're going to be maximizing area of a triangle. And I want to see what the triangle looks like. So I'm starting to draw the curve, which looks like this. The triangle's vertex is here, and we're going to be above the x-axis. I'm going to label this because we're on coordinate axes, the point x comma y. Remember, if you graph a point, x is this much and y is this high. What that tells me is that the height of the triangle is y, and the width of the triangle will be 2x's. Other things I can tell by this, they said that the x value, that the base is above the x-axis. So really, the smallest or the biggest x value I could possibly have is here, and that's the 0, positive root 27. The problem is it's not considered an endpoint, and the smallest is negative root 27. We wouldn't use those as endpoints because then you wouldn't have a triangle. You'd have a flat line. So this, I know, right now, we have no endpoint. All right, so I'm going to hop back to my area formula. We found that the base was 2x, the height was y. We simplify and we end up with xy. Problem is there's two variables. Since there's two variables, I have to use some more information. And the more information is that equation up there, which is 27 minus x squared. Which I will simplify because I don't want to do a product rule, so I'll do 27x minus x cubed. Now that we have exactly one variable, I can take its derivative. 27 minus 3x squared. If you remember, to find max or mins, we figure out what we're trying to maximize, and then we take its derivative. Set it equal to 0, set the derivative equal to undefined. In this case, can't be undefined. We end up with x squared is equal to 9, x is equal to plus or minus 3. So I'm going to double check. On my sign chart, negative 3, positive 3, negative root 27 would be an endpoint, positive root 27. Honestly, if you don't do that, you still get this problem correct. But I'm just trying to keep the same method each time. So I know that if I put 0 in, the derivative is positive. If I put a value in between, the derivative is negative. And so my maximum happens at x equal to 3. So my max occurs at x equal to 3. The question was to find the largest area. Well, the area formula was 27x minus x cubed. And I believe the area becomes 54. Do I have any units? Units squared. Hopefully that is correct. All right.